Hello friends, welcome to the Family Pharma YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we will look at a medical prescription and discuss it in detail. The prescription has been written by an orthopedic specialist and the patient is suffering from knee joint degeneration related pain, which is also known as osteoarthritis of the knee. In this video, we will learn what is osteoarthritis actually is, the common symptoms of osteoarthritis, why the doctor has advised certain tests, and why the medicine listed in the prescription have been prescribed. Before we begin, an important note: this video is created only for educational purposes. It is not personal medical advice. For your own treatment, always consult a qualified doctor. So let's start the video. Friends, this is the prescription we are discussing today. The diagnosis written on the prescription is OA RT knee. OA means osteoarthritis, RT means right. So this means the patient is suffering from osteoarthritis of the right knee. Below the diagnosis, you can see kneecap written. This refers to a kneecap or knee brace, which is an elastic support used to provide comfort and stability after knee pain or injury. Here is the medicines prescribed. Number 1, naproxen plus 500 by 20. Its duration 14 days. Its doses 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night. This is a painkiller and anti-inflammatory medicine. It helps reduce knee pain and swelling. Its active ingredients is naproxen 500 mg and esomeprazole 20 mg. Its manufacturer by Radiant Pharmaceuticals. Number 2, Bontif tablet. Its duration 1 month. Its doses 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night. This medicine is commonly prescribed for a osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Its active ingredient is glucosamine 750 mg and diacerin 50 mg. It's manufactured Healthcare Pharmaceuticals. Number 3, Myolax 50. It's a muscle relaxant. Its duration 10 days. Its doses 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night. Tablet Myolax helps relax the muscles around the knee when they become tight or stiff. Its active ingredient is tolperisone 50 mg. Its manufacturer Incepta Pharmaceuticals. Number 4, Voligel. Its application 3 or 4 times daily. This gel is applied externally to the knee and is very effective in relieving pain. Its active ingredient diclofenac 1%. Its manufacturer Baximco Pharmaceuticals. After applying Voligel, the doctor has also advised hot compression. Number 5, Capsule Cola Cap. Its duration 3 months. Its doses 1 capsule at night only. This medicine is also commonly used in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Its active ingredient undenatured type 2 collagen. It's manufactured by Popular Pharmaceuticals. All medicines should be taken exactly as prescribed by the doctor. You can see taste and advice and their purposes. The doctor has advised several tests. Let's understand why. Number 1, CBC. It's mean complete blood count. It's for to check for infection or anemia. Number 2, RBS or random blood sugar. It's for to check for diabetes, as diabetes can worsen joint problems. Number 3, serum creatinine. It's for to assess kidney function, especially before using pain medication. Number 4, RA test. It's for to check for rheumatoid arthritis and differentiate it from osteoarthritis. Number 5, serum uric acid. It's for to check for gout or uric acid related joint problems. Number 6, X-ray of both knees. To assess the extent of joint damage and the condition of the bones. These tests are very important for confirming the diagnosis. Now, what is osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis is a condition where the cartilage gradually wears away. Cartilage means the soft cushioning inside the knee joint. When cartilage damages, then bone rubs against bone, the joint becomes stiff, pain increases and movement becomes difficult. Osteoarthritis commonly develop due to increasing age, excess body weight, long-term stress on the knee, previous knee injury, etc. Common symptoms of osteoarthritis: knee pain, especially while walking or climbing stairs, morning stiffness after waking up, difficulty standing after sitting for a long time, trouble bending or straightening the knee, swelling or cracking sounds in the knee, pain or staining after a long period of walking. This symptom usually progress gradually, not suddenly. Lifestyle advice for osteoarthritis of the knee. Medical alone are not enough. Some habits are very important. Try to reduce weight if overweight. Avoid sitting on the floor. Reduce stair climbing. Light physiotherapy and knee straightening exercise are beneficial. Avoid walking on hard or uneven surfaces. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And for more health related educational videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.